Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the matrices. In this video I am going to cover about the topics like what is a matrix and what are the types of matrices. Okay, let's start the video. First, matrix. What is a matrix? Matrix is nothing but a rectangular array of elements arranged in rows and columns. For example, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? This is an array, rectangular array, okay? And in this we are arranging the elements in rows and columns. So what are rows and columns? Rows are nothing but the horizontal things. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. These are in horizontal, right? This is row 1. And next, these 3 elements are in horizontal, right? This is row 2. And what are columns? The vertical things in a matrix are called, or the vertical elements in a matrix are called columns, okay? You can see 1, 4. These are vertical. Column 1. And this one, vertical elements, column 2. This one, column 3. So in this matrix we can observe that there are 2 rows, comma 3 columns, right? So once again I am going to explain what is meant by a matrix. A matrix is nothing but a rectangular array of elements arranged in rows and columns. Horizontal things are called rows and vertical things are called columns. Here in this matrix there are 2 rows and there are 3 columns, okay? Now we will discuss what is meant by order of matrix. Order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is nothing but it is denoted by m by n, where m represents number of rows and n represents number of columns, okay? Where m represents number of rows and n represents number of columns. See, I will give an example. Can you guess what is the order of the matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you tell me what is the order of this matrix? See, here there are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So the order of the matrix is nothing but 3 cross 3. This is meant by order of matrix. So next we will discuss principal diagonal of a matrix. Principal diagonal is nothing but the diagonal elements of a matrix is called principal diagonal of a matrix. Let us take a square matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, here the diagonal elements are 1, 5, 9, right? So this is called the principal diagonal of a matrix. And now we will discuss about the trace of a matrix. Trace is nothing but the sum of principal diagonal elements it is denoted by TR of A. Okay, so here the principal diagonal elements are 1, 5, 9. So what is the trace of the matrix? Trace of A equal to 1 plus 5 plus 9 is nothing but 15. So this is the trace of the matrix. Okay, so once again we will discuss the topics. What is meant by matrix? Matrix is nothing but a rectangular array of elements arranged in rows and columns. Horizontal things are called rows and vertical things are called columns. And what is the order of a matrix? Order of matrix is nothing but m cross n is nothing but number of rows by number of columns, where m represents rows and n represents columns. Next, principal diagonal of a matrix. Principal diagonal of a matrix is nothing but the diagonal elements of a matrix. Okay. Next, trace of a matrix. The sum of principal diagonal elements of a matrix is called trace of a matrix. It is denoted by trace of A. 1 plus 5 plus 9 equal to 15. So these are the 4 topics of the matrices. Now let's